Hey everyone, welcome back to Electroonics. If you're into creating top-notch content or just want to look your best on video calls, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into an awesome gadget, the ring light with 3 color temperatures, timer, and USB power. Let's find out why this might be the perfect addition to your workspace or content creation setup. Let's get started. This compact 3.5-inch ring light is designed for versatility. It offers 3 adjustable color temperatures: warm, 3000K, neutral, 4500K, and cool, 6000K. You can fine-tune each with 5 brightness levels to fit any environment. Whether you're streaming, taking online meetings, or creating TikTok videos, it ensures soft, even lighting with a CRI of Ra95 for natural, true-to-life color. The clip-on design is both lightweight and durable, making it easy to attach to laptops, monitors, or even your smartphone. Its 360 degrees adjustable angle provides flexibility, ensuring you get the perfect lighting every time. This feature is ideal for makeup tutorials, podcasts, or just looking your best during virtual meetings. It's simple, portable, and travel-friendly. One standout feature is its USB-powered functionality. Forget about battery issues. Plug it into your laptop, power bank, or USB adapter, and you're good to go. The timer function adds convenience by automatically turning off the light after 1.5, or 2 hours. It's perfect for late-night study sessions or as a gentle reminder to take breaks. If you're ready to take your content and video calls to the next level, this ring light could be a game changer. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.